SBL Introduction Series Video 3. Keywords in SBL exam and which model to use when. So, in the exam, they will not ask you a direct question saying, apply SWOT analysis to this case study. Instead, the question is indirect, something like, examine the external environment of XYZ company. So then you know you should apply Pastel and Potter's 5 forces. So in this video, we will discuss some keywords that should be your trigger as to which model to use. Let's begin. Environment, Pastel. Competition, industry analysis, 5 forces. Business performance, Baldrige model, balanced scorecard, CSFs and KPIs, BCG matrix. This does not mean you need to use all models when a question on business performance is asked. You need to use the most appropriate model based on the information provided. Developing alternative strategies, Potter's generic strategies, strategic clocks, TOES matrix. Evaluation of strategic choices, SAF framework. Position analysis, SWOT analysis. Subsidiary or division performance analysis, BCG matrix. Directions for growth, ANSOF matrix. Country's competitive advantage, diamond model. Activities performed by the company, value chain. Stakeholder matrix, Mendelow's matrix. Risk management process, risk identification, assessment, strategies, mitigation and monitoring. Risk strategies, TARA model. Risk heat map, impact and likelihood. Corporate social responsibility, Carroll's model. Marketing mix, 4 P's of product mix and 7 P's of service mix. Corporate culture, culture web, McKinsey's 7S model. Transitioning to a digital strategy, 6I theory. Process outsourcing, Harman's matrix. Overcoming resistance and change management, Lewin's 3-stage model. Integrated change management, Puppet model. Big data, 3 V's model, questions around cloud computing, data privacy and data security. Ethical decision making, Tucker's model. IR, integrated reporting. So now to crack this exam, how do we know what to write? What to study in relation to a model or theory? Contents of a model. Meaning and purpose of a model. Where can the model can be, but more important should not be applied? What are the drawbacks or limitations of the model? Now let us look at the changes that are going to happen from September 2023 to SBL paper. Changes from September 2023. Number 1. The time for the paper is going to reduce from 4 hours to 3 hours and 15 minutes. Number 2. This is because the case study on which the exam will be based will be released as a pre-scene 2 weeks before the exam. Number 3. The pre-scene will also be available as an attachment on the exam portal once you start the exam. Number 4. You will be expected to know the pre-scene very well and incorporate that as well as the unseen presented on exam day to formulate comprehensive solutions to the question tasks. With this, we conclude the introduction series. We now move on to the syllabus, which we have divided into two parts. Series 2, Business Strategy and Analytics, and Series 3, Governance, Risk and Ethics.